Do you want discipline? I give you some rules. Take a pen and write. Number 1. Start your day with a small ritual, like 10 push-ups. Then the day will start for you. Number 2. Understand, self-discipline is freedom and power in one. Number 3. Analyze your temptations. Is it alcohol, drugs, or social media? Remove the temptation to build discipline. Out of sight, out of mind. Number 4. Plan small steps, not big steps. If you have too big goals and cannot achieve, you have nothing, and you killed your discipline. Number 5. Be humble. You're not special, you're not the king of the world, and you're not privileged. Humbleness, discipline, and willpower are different sides of one coin. Life is grim. Be honorable. Listen to this, and it will take you far in life. Always be silent in these 5 situations. Number 1. When someone is criticizing others, be silent. Don't be a part of such negativity. Number 2. When someone shouts in anger, pacify them by keeping quiet. Number 3. When you're angry, be silent and don't act in anger. Number 4. When you are doubtful of your thought, be silent. Number 5. When you don't have anything to say, then keep silent. Learn to be silent, and always remember that everything in life has a purpose.
Five things you must know to change your thinking. Number 1. You will waste your entire life waiting for the right time. The right time is now. Start doing what you're waiting from now. Number 2. A college degree doesn't hold a candle to skills and financial education. Number 3. One income stream isn't enough, but you also don't need 15. Number 4. You might trust your close friends and family, but don't tell them everything. Number 5. No one will ever see you. Your life is your responsibility. So, better look after yourself and push yourself into a better version than you were yesterday.
Today, I want to talk about maturity and the power that comes with it. Maturity is not just about growing older, it's about growing wiser. It's about having the power to destroy those who have done you wrong but choosing not to. It's about holding yourself to a higher standard and not lowering your vibe by engaging in negativity. It takes real strength to rise above the fray and not succumb to hatred's call. The true mark of maturity is having the wisdom to know that revenge will only bring pain. So, instead of seeking revenge, choose to let life take its course and rise above the hurt and disdain. Remember, You have the power to choose compassion and empathy. Letting life take care of those who have wronged you is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of maturity. So let them fall like rotten fruit, and let their own actions be their downfall. In the end, it's not about what happens to us, it's about how we choose to react to it. So choose wisely and always rise above the fray.